Hi guys, I've got the GT Hustle Academy here, pink foam colorway, budget version ng GT Hustle 3. So you can see yung view niya, napakaganda ng kulay, plain and simple. Ito yung side view, back view, and ito yung inner side niya, and yan yung front, and then ito naman yung ilalim. And as you can see, sabi ko nga plain and simple. I went through to size. Perfect yung fitting niya. Medyo malapad yung pa ako. US 10.5. But I would not recommend this na pang basketball or pang volleyball kasi less supportive siya. Mapapansin nyo yun. Presently, gamit ko is GT Cut 3. Napaka-bouncy. Pero hindi mo talaga siya masisisi kasi budget version nga lang siya at medyo pricey yung GT Cut 3. Pero mare-recommend ko to siguro kung gagamitin mo lang sa gym. Ayan siya. Ayan yung itsura niya. Ayan.